Hello everyone. So student, yesterday video we have started events of sexual reproduction process. I have told you in that video there are presence of three main steps during sexual reproduction, that are pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization process. Then students, we have started the first step, that is pre-fertilization process. I've told you a process that occur before fertilization process, it represent as a pre-fertilization process. ये पढ़ा चुका हूं मैं. Then I've told you in pre-fertilization two steps are present. One is gametogenesis and second is gamete transfer. Now today we will start the first step, that is gametogenesis process. So let's begin. So today we have to start the first portion of pre-fertilization, and what is the name? That is gametogenesis process. Now biology is very easy subject. Catch the word and make the definition. The word gameto, it means gamete. The word genesis, it means production, synthesis. So बच्चों, a process in which gametes are produced. Gametes are produced. Produced by male and female parent. Male and female parent. This process is gametogenesis. I have already told you the male parent produce male gamete, while the female parent produce female gamete. In animals, these are known as the male gamete. In animal, it represents as a sperm, and female gamete, it represents as a ovum. Then two type of gamete are available in the body of organism. Number one, isogamete or homogamete, and number two is heterogamete. So बच्चों, now in today video we have to start the first step of pre-fertilization process, and that is gametogenesis. What is the meaning of that? Catch the word. The word gameto, it represent gamete. The word genesis, it represent production or synthesis. So बच्चों, I have told you during sexual reproduction, in the body of male, in the body of female, some cells are produced, and these cells are known as gamete cell, and these gametes are responsible for the production of zygote, embryo and new organism. So बच्चों, what is the definition? A process in which gametes structure are developed, gamete structure are produced in the body of male and female parent for completion of sexual reproduction process. Gamete का बनना, this process is known as what? Gametogenesis process. So बच्चों, that is only the meaning. Now in the body of male, which gamete is developed? Male gamete. Inside the male reproductive system, we will elaborate this point in chapter number 3rd. So male gamete, and mostly in animal the male gamete is known as what? Sperm. While on the other hand, in the body of female parent, which gamete is developed? Female gamete. And what is the name of the female gamete in animals? Ovum. So बच्चों, in the body of male sperm is produced, in the body of female ovum is produced, and further both the gametes are fused. इन दोनों gametes का fusion होगा next process में fertilization. We will study that. So बच्चों, a process in which gamete is developed, that is known as what? Gametogenesis. और ये काफी जरूरी है for fertilization process. So now, if I am asking you how many types of gamete are developed in nature, so basically gametes are developed two types. Number one, isogamete, another name homogamete, and second category it is known as heterogamete. So बच्चों, two category of gametes are developed in the body of organism. Number one, isogamete, and second is heterogamete. Now we will study one by one. Let's see. I have told you two type of gametes are developed in different organism in nature. One is isogamete and second is heterogamete. Now बच्चों, we will study one by one. First is isogamete, another name homogamete. Catch the word. The word iso or homo, it represent similar, same, एक जैसे. So what is the definition? A condition in which both the gamete, male gamete and female gamete, both are similar in shape and structure. दोनों दिखने में एक जैसे होते हैं. Such a condition it represent as what? Isogamete or homogamete. So बच्चों, that is only the meaning or definition. Now question is that कि sir, what are the example of such a condition in nature? So you have seen that a diagram is there in the whiteboard. These two gamete structure, one is male gamete and second is female gamete. You have seen that both gamete are similar in shape and size. दोनों दिखने में बिल्कुल एक जैसे हैं. So these are the example of which condition? Isogamete condition. And बच्चों, these gametes are developed, produced in which organism? कौन सा organism same gamete बनाता है? So what is the example? Cladophora. What is the pronunciation? Cladophora. And this organism, it belongs to which category? Algae. You have heard about algae in class 11th. Plants are divided into 5 category: algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. So algae are the smallest plant, सबसे छोटे plant होते हैं. Example कौन सा है? Cladophora. So बच्चों, we have completed the first category of gamete, that is isogamete. Now student, we will start the second category. What is the name? Heterogamete. And it is the just opposite to isogamete. Catch the word. The word hetero, it means differ, different, alag alag. So what is the meaning? A condition in which both gamete, male gamete and female gamete, are differ in nature. दोनों gamete अलग अलग होते हैं shape और size में. Such a condition is known as what? Heterogamete condition. So बच्चों, that is only the meaning. Now question is that what is the example of heterogamete condition? So बच्चों, such a gametes are produced. The best example in human body. Now how? So let's see. So I have told you the definition of heterogamete, that developed in human. Now how? In human, the male gamete is known as sperm. The female gamete is known as ovum. दोनों के डायग्राम आपके सामने है. The sperm, it is long, thin and linear. ये लंबा होता है, पतला होता है. Long, thin and linear. And sperm is motile in nature. What is the meaning of motile? That can movable, जिसमें movement होती है. Sperm में movement क्यों होती है? Because sperm having the tail portion. The sperm carry the tail portion, We will elaborate this topic in chapter number 3. अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे वहां पे. On the other hand, the female gamete ovum, it is round in shape, round and non-motile in nature, that cannot movable. जिसमें movement नहीं होती है. So we can say that in human body, sperm and ovum, both gamete are different in shape, size and nature. इनका nature different है. Sperm motile, ovum non-motile. Shape and size is different. So that is the example of which condition? Heterogamete condition. So dear, we have completed about these two category of gamete. One is isogamete and second is heterogamete. Now we will start a new topic in this chapter, that is sexuality in organism. It means we will study on the basis of sex how many types of organisms survive in the nature. And first of all, we will talk about animal. So in animals, on the basis of sex, two type of organisms are present. Number one, unisexual animal, and second is bisexual animal. So these are only the words. Now what is the meaning of that? So catch the word. First of all, unisexual. The word uni, it means single. The word sexual means sex. It means a type of animal that carry single sex. A type of animal that carry single reproductive system in body. Maybe the male, maybe the female. Animal body में या तो male होगा या female होगा. Single condition. Such a condition is known as what? Unisexual animal. Okay. And what are the example of unisexual animal? Mainly higher or developed animal. For example, human, monkey. Mostly mammals are unisexual in nature. Reptiles, amphibians, these are unisexual. Now bachcho, we will start the second category, that is bisexual animal. What is the meaning of bisexual? Catch the word. The word bi means two. Excuse me. So what is the meaning of that? A type of animal that carry both the sexes in its body. It means carry both the reproductive system, male as well as female. दोनों सिस्टम एक ही बॉडी में, सिंगल बॉडी कैरी both the system. It is represented as a what? Bisexual animal. So बच्चों, that is only the definition. Now question is that sir, what are the example of bisexuality? So mainly small insect, small animals are bisexual. The best examples are earthworm, canchua, tapeworm, leech, etc. So bachcho, we have completed the sexuality in animals. Now we will start the sexuality of plants. On the basis of sexuality, plants are also divided into two categories. Number one, monoecious plant, and second is dioecious plant. Now we will study one by one. Monoecious. So it is equal to bisexual animal. What is the meaning of that? A plant that carry both reproductive system in its flower. I have told you in plant body sexual reproduction take place in flower structure. Flower में sexual reproduction होता है. Why? Because flower carry male and female system. So what is the definition? A plant that carry both the system, male as well as female, in its flower, that plant is known as what? Monoecious plant. And bachcho, what is the name of the male system? In flower of plant, you have studied in smaller classes. The male portion is known as androecium. What is the pronunciation? Androecium. And the female part of flower, it is known as gynoecium. What is the name? Gynoecium. And these part we will study deeply in chapter 2, in next chapter. So bachcho, a plant that carry androecium as well as gynoecium, it is known as what? Monoecious plant. And बच्चों, what are the example of monoecious plant? Rose, mustard, etc. So बच्चों, we have completed the first category. Now the second category is just opposite, dioecious plant. A plant that carries single type of reproductive system in its flower. It represent as a dioecious plant. या तो मेल होगा या फीमेल होगा, सिंगल सिस्टम. Such a plant is known as what? Dioecious. And बच्चों, what are the example of dioecious plant, dioecious flower? That are papaya and date palm. So बच्चों, we have completed the sexuality of plant in nature, monoecious and dioecious. Now we will study the sexuality of fungi. कि फंजाई ऑर्गेनिज्म में कैसे होती है सेक्सुअलिटी. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेक्सुअलिटी, टू कैटेगरी. नंबर 1 होमोथैलिक फंजाई, नंबर 2 हेटेरोथैलिक फंजाई. द फर्स्ट इज होमोथैलिक, a fungi that carry both reproductive system, male as well as female. It represent as a homothelic. Just opposite, the fungi that carry the single reproductive part in its structure, it is heterothelic fungi. So बच्चों, we have completed a big topic, that is sexuality in organism on the basis in plants, animals and fungi. In animal, unisexual, bisexual. In plant, monoecious, dioecious. In fungi, homothelic and heterothelic. So bachcho, now we will start the next topic. Two type of organism are present in nature, that are haploid organism. I think we have studied in class 11th. Two type of organisms, haploid, and second is diploid. Diploid organism. What is the meaning of that? The organism that carry haploid cell in its body. इसकी body haploid cell से बनी होती है. The organism that carry diploid cell in its body. बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन कि सर हैप्लॉइड और डिप्लॉइड का मीनिंग क्या है. सो आई एम ड्राइंग ए डायग्राम ऑफ हैप्लॉइड एंड डिप्लॉइड सेल. आपको पहचानना है कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू सेल. दिस इज द सेल. At the center, nucleus is present. The center nucleus is present. That is nucleus. That is nucleus. And inside the nucleus, the genetic material. It is chromosomes. You have studied chromosome in class 11th, in class 10th. Chromosome. It is genetic material. Why? Because chromosome is consist of, किसका बना होता है ये? DNA and protein. Okay? पेयर, क्रोमोसोम का जोड़ा. So here chromosome, single set of chromosome, single set, and here double set of chromosome, double set of chromosome. Haploid cell represent by N and diploid cell represent by 2N. So बच्चों, let's see. Before starting the new topic, first of all we will explain some basic point that is very necessary to understand the next topic, and which is the basic point. In nature, two type of organisms survive on the basis of chromosome. अब क्रोमोसोम क्या होता है? Have you studied chromosome in class 11? Suppose this is the cell. Inside the cell at the center, which organ is present? Nucleus. आपने पढ़ा हुआ class 11th में. And inside the nucleus, some thread-like structure are present. कुछ धागे जैसी structure होती है. And these thread-like structure represent as what? Chromosome. What is the pronunciation? Chromosome. And these chromosome consist of, ये किसके बने होते हैं? Chromosome consist of two structure. One is DNA and second is protein. So chromosome consist of DNA and protein. DNA पढ़ा चुका हूँ. What is DNA? That is genetic material. So chromosome DNA का बना है, DNA genetic material है. So we can say that chromosome किसका example है? Chromosomes are the example of genetic material. अब किसे बोलते हैं genetic material? पढ़ा चुका हूँ. That transfer from one generation to next generation. That transfer from parents to the offspring. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी कैरेक्टर है, कलर ऑफ स्किन, कलर ऑफ आई, कलर ऑफ हेयर, सारे कैरेक्टर हमें कहां से मिलते हैं? पेरेंट्स से. कुछ कैरेक्टर मदर के, कुछ कैरेक्टर फादर के. और ये कैरेक्टर कैसे ट्रांसफर होते हैं? कैरेक्टर्स आर ट्रांसफर विद द हेल्प ऑफ डीएनए. कैरेक्टर्स आर ट्रांसफर विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. तो फादर से, मदर से हमें क्रोमोसोम्स मिलते हैं और यही क्रोमोसोम डिसाइड करते हैं बॉडी में कैरेक्टर्स को. सो बच्चों कहां थे? टू टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स, haploid organism and diploid organism. The question is that how these organisms are divided, are separated. So both the category are developed on the basis of chromosome. इन्हीं क्रोमोसोम की बेसिस पे दो कैटेगरी बनाई गई है. Now what are haploid and what are diploid? So let's see. An organism that body consists of haploid cell. It is haploid organism. वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसकी बॉडी में कौन सी सेल होती है? हैप्लॉइड सेल. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? हैप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म. ऑन द अदर हैंड, वेरी इजी, द ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट कैरी डिप्लॉइड सेल इन बॉडी. वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसकी बॉडी में डिप्लॉइड सेल है, इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म. अब बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन कि सर हैप्लॉइड सेल कौन सी होती है, डिप्लॉइड सेल कौन सी होती है? आपके सामने दो डायग्राम है. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ हैप्लॉइड सेल एंड दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ डिप्लॉइड सेल. सो व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस? यू हैव सीन दैट इन हैप्लॉइड सेल इन द न्यूक्लियस देयर इज सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज प्रेजेंट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंगल सेट? इट मीन क्रोमोसोम्स प्रेजेंट अलोन. क्रोमोसोम अकेले प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट नहीं होते, पेयर में प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं. यहां क्रोमोसोम जोड़ा नहीं बनाते हैं, पेयर नहीं बनाते हैं. सो इफ इन ए सेल क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट अलोन, क्रोमोसोम डू नॉट मेक पेयर, क्रोमोसोम डू नॉट मेक ग्रुप, दैट इज सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. सच ए सेल इज नोन एज व्हाट? हैप्लॉइड सेल. दूसरी तरफ इस वाले सेल में सेल न्यूक्लियस, you have seen that here chromosome present in pair condition. इस वाली सेल में क्रोमोसोम पेयर में है, जोड़े में है, ग्रुप में है, and this condition is known as double set of chromosome. What is the pronunciation? Double set. तो definition क्या बनेगी? A cell in which single set of chromosome is present, it is haploid cell. A cell in which double set of chromosome is present, it is known as diploid cell. और बच्चों हैप्लॉइड सेल को N से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं and diploid cell is represented by 2N. Okay, so we have completed the definition of haploid and diploid. The question is that what are the example of haploid organism and diploid organism? So bachcho, example of haploid that are मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, fungi and algae. These are the example of haploid organism. Example of diploid, that are higher plant, जितने भी बड़े प्लांट है, and higher animals. So बच्चों, what are the example of haploid organisms? मोनेरा, मोनेरा में कौन आते हैं? बैक्टीरिया. प्रोटिस्टा, प्रोटिस्टा में कौन आएंगे? अमीबा, पैरामीशियम, यूग्लिना. देन फंजाई, देन एल्गी. एल्गी सबसे छोटे प्लांट होते हैं. मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, एल्गी किसके एग्जांपल है? हैप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म. इनकी बॉडी में कौन सी सेल है? हैप्लॉइड सेल, सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. डिप्लॉइड के एग्जांपल जितने भी हायर प्लांट है, बड़े प्लांट, टेरिडोफाइडा, जिम्नोस्पर्म, एंजियोस्पर्म, और जितने भी हायर एनिमल है, फॉर एग्जांपल रेप्टाइल्स, एम्फीबियंस, मैमल्स, बर्ड्स, किसके एग्जांपल है? डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म के. सो बच्चों, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड सम बेसिक पॉइंट, दैट इज हैप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड डिप्लॉइड. और दोनों ही बेसिक काम में आने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है? सेल डिवीजन ड्यूरिंग गैमेटोजेनेसिस प्रोसेस. इट मीन जब जब गैमेट बनेंगे तो कौन सा सेल डिवीजन होगा. सो बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना काफी है. टिल देन, स्टे एट योर होम, बी सेफ, बी हैप्पी, डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज मास्क एट पब्लिक प्लेसेस.